Welcome back to my channel Spanish Shalendra. So today we are going to talk about the most important verb in Spanish, which is the ER verb, irregular verb, irregular verb, which is ser, S-E-R, ser. Ser means to be. Ser means to be. So the conjugation of ser is soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. Soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, ella es, usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ellos, ellas, ustedes son. So basically, Yo Soy means I am. Actually, it means I am. So slowly when your level becomes higher, you will start omitting the personal pronouns. Like you will say only soy, not yo soy. But right now, to connect, you will say yo soy, tú eres, él es, ella es. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Usted es, means sir or ma'am, you are. Nosotros somos, we all are. Nosotras somos, we all are. Vosotras sois, you all are. Ellos, ellas, ustedes son, means they all are. Ellos son, they all are. Ellas son, they all are. And ustedes son means sirs or ma'ams, you all are. So basically what we are going to do, when do we apply the verb ser? Ser is used in a permanent situation. What do you mean by a permanent situation? There are 10 rules of ser. You will see on the right hand side, slowly. Profession. In Spanish, when we talk about profession, we apply the verb ser. Because in Spanish, profession is permanent. So, when we talk about profession, possession, something which you possess. So there are two P's, then there are two R's. Relationship. All the relations in Spanish are permanent except for marriage. So basically, relationships. Religion. So basically, profession, possession, religion, relationship, material, time, description, nationality, material, time, description, nationality, color. So we will apply these rules for ser. Profession, possession, religion, relationship, material, time, description, nationality. Mi camisa es roja. Mis camisas son rojas. So basically you will apply for color. Nationality. Tú eres española. I'm asking somebody, are you a Spanish? Tú eres española. Sí, yo soy española. She says, I am a Spanish. Usted es español. Sí, yo soy español. Nosotros somos indios. Sí, nosotros somos indios. So ser is used in a permanent situation. Now what do you mean in a permanent situation? A permanent situation is which is not temporary. For example, when we talk about a location, I am in Delhi, I am in Goa, I am somewhere else, that's temporary. I am going to move out from there. But ser is always used for permanent. Okay? And next, if I am sick, I am busy, I am sick, so I will not use ser, I will say estoy ocupado, I am busy. So that is temporary. But right now we are only concentrating on the verb ser. Ser is only used in a permanent situation. So if you still have doubts, please write in the comment section and drop your email. I will explain more in detail. Like my topic, stay tuned, like, subscribe and share. Adiós, gracias, hasta luego. Adiós, gracias, hasta luego.